Slide, kuya. You slide there, oh. Slide here, oh.
What's this?
There's no slide. Oh, it's dry. Slide's dry. That screechy sound.
It turns into dust. Look underneath. Move it.
Look, can you find my feet?
Yeah.
My feet is like a crab. Here, go, yeah, we can make sand here. We can make sand castle. Look, kuya, you can do this, oh, making a castle. Look, I'm making a tower.
Me too. Look, watch this.
Boom.
Watch this.
Ah.
It turns into dust.
It turns into water.
Boom. It explodes. It gets pushed. It explodes when it gets pushed.
Yeah.
Watch this.
It's like a smoke.
This is my first time playing with sand at this beach.
Yeah. This is a man-made beach. Oh, don't crash my castle. Look, I can make a ano, kuya.
How about put it with water? Bring water with it. What will happen?
Then it will crush. Look, kuya, they're gonna connect. They're gonna connect. Look. Look.
Hi.
Hello.
Wow. What are you guys doing? Making a castle. Awesome.
They connect this too. There. Oh.
He's quite
What's this?
Ay, asan na yung ano niya, floater niya?
Andun sa dulo, kabilang dulo.
Kunin ko?
Kuya, get the floater of Alelo.
Where?
There, oh, on the other side. Connect na.
Whoa!
Look, Kuya, my castle is almost done.
Look!
They're gonna attack my castle.
We're just going to slide.
Okay.
We're going to slide.
Kuya, did you put sand?
Yeah!
Don't put sand. Don't put sand, Kuya. Careful, careful. There are other kids. Ooh, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Again, again. Again, Mama.
Babalik ka.
Look, Mama is gonna slide again. Go, Mama.
Oh, wait lang anak. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Sabi niya, oh! Sabi niya, oh!
Look at my Giza pyramid!
Do you like your slide? Whoa! Whoa!
Yan, hindi na ako mas...
Saan yung towel niya? Gusto mo pa ako? Baka pa kumaayos. Kumaayos. Ito malamig dito. Ayun yung wala siyang floater. Ano oras na?
8:25.
8?
Hmm.
Ano 8?
Ay, yan, di ba yung oras? Ano pa lang siguro ngayon, 5. Magpa-5.
Baka mo muna siya, naiihi ako. Kuya pa. Naiihi na ako kanina.
4:09 pala.